Hi everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making the best buttermilk biscuits. So let's go ahead and get started. First, whisk together 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then cut in 2/3 a cup of shortening. Add 2 cups of buttermilk and mix it with a wooden spoon until just combined. Put your biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet. Bake them at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops turn golden brown. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below so you get a chance to be featured on our next video.